Maybe you think you are not technical enough. Maybe you don't know how to code. Maybe when you hear words like developer, API, backend, you instantly feel like the world is not for you. Maybe you've told yourself, I'm just not that kind of person. I used to think the same. I thought being technical meant writing complex code for hours, debugging software, building applications from scratch. But what if I told you there is a technical career path where you don't need to be a programmer, and yet you can be deeply technical, respected, and valuable? The world is called EDI, Electronic Data Interchange. Now let's simplify this. Imagine two companies, a buyer and a supplier. The buyer needs 10,000 components. Instead of sending emails, instead of typing in PDFs, instead of calling someone, the system sends a structured digital message directly to the supplier's system. No human touch. That message contains product codes, quantities, delivery dates, addresses, pricing, all structured, all standardized. That message is EDI, and this happens millions of times per day around the world. Supermarkets, automotive factories, hospitals, online shops, logistics companies. EDI is invisible, but it runs global businesses. Here's something important. Most EDI professionals are not hardcore software developers. Yes, sometimes you use mapping tools, and yes, sometimes there is scripting. But the real skill is different. It's understanding the structures, it's understanding data flow, it's understanding business logics. You are not writing a video game, and you are not building a mobile app. You are translating business into structure. It's like solving a puzzle. Why is this segment here? Why does this data format matter? Why did this invoice get rejected? You analyze, you investigate, you fix. And when you fix it, a factory can ship again, a payment can go through, a truck can move. Now let's talk about impact. When you understand EDI, you don't just understand messages, but you understand how supply chain work, how ERP systems communicate, how automation replaces manual effort, how money flows between companies. You become the bridge between business and IT, and that bridge is rare. Developers often don't fully understand business flows. Business people often don't understand system logic, but an EDI professional understands both. And when something breaks, everyone suddenly realizes how important EDI truly is. Because if EDI stops, shipment stops, production stops, invoicing stops, revenue stops. That's not just technical knowledge, that's operational power. EDI is not flashy, it's not trending on social media, but that's actually a strength. It's a niche. A niche means less competition. Not everyone wants to read structured messages. Not everyone wants to analyze segments and qualifiers. But companies need people who do. And here's the beautiful part. Once you understand EDFact or X12 or structured business data, you can move industries, automotive, retail, healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, because data is universal. So, who is EDI really for? It's for people who like structure, like patterns, like logical thinking, enjoy understanding systems, but maybe don't feel like hardcore programmers. It's for people who want to be technical without being overwhelmed by deep software engineering. It's for people who want stability and long term relevance. I didn't start as a programmer. I started by trying to understand one message, then another, then another. At first, it was confusing segments, code, standards, but slowly patterns appeared. And once you start seeing patterns, everything changes. You stop seeing random text, you start seeing structure, logic, meaning, and that skill, the ability to see structure inside complexity, goes far beyond EDI. It changes how you think, it changes how you analyze problems, it changes how you approach systems. So, if you think you are not technical enough, maybe you just haven't found your technical path yet. You don't need code to be technical. You need curiosity, you need patience, and you need consistency. And if you are willing to learn how systems really talk to each other, welcome to EDI. And if you want to start from zero, I've built playlists that break everything down step by step. And you can start today, right here, right now. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching this video. We appreciate you spending time with us. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more like this. Hit notification bell to never miss updates. Your support helps us create more engaging videos. Subscribe now.